Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. This video is about the myths and facts on Ayurveda. Myth number 1. Ayurveda is a pseudoscience or something that's based on tradition. What is science? Science is defined as the intellectual and practical activity encompassing the systemic study of the structure and behavior of physical and natural world through observations and experiments. Ayurveda is a science where knowledge is achieved through three different means. Knowledge learned through authentic sources, textbooks or teachers known as Aptopadesha, knowledge inquired through direct observation known as Pratyaksha, inferences drawn through observational studies known as Anumana. Now you say, is Ayurveda pseudoscience? Of course not. Myth number 2. Ayurveda is restricted to herbalism. Ayurveda is much more than herbalism or herbal therapy. It is an entire system of medicine with its own diagnostic tools and criteria as well as treatment protocols, being highly personalized at the same time. Ayurveda does advocate the use of herbs for both prevention and cure, but Ayurveda is definitely not restricted to herbs. Ayurvedic doctors use food, lifestyle measures, minerals, metals, as well as surgical intervention for treatment protocols depending on the individual person and condition. Myth number 3. Ayurveda advocates a vegan lifestyle. Ayurveda advocates eating specifically to your dosha type and making sure what you eat is meant to balance your body, mind, senses, and spirit. Various properties of all kinds of meats and poultry and animal food are described in depth in Sutrasthana, or the very first section of all the main texts like Charaka Samhita, Sushruta Samhita, as well as Ashtanga Hridaya for therapeutic purposes. Also, ghee or clarified butter is extensively used in dietary as well as treatment protocols. Thus, following Ayurveda does not mean catering to a vegan lifestyle, though a vegan lifestyle can be fitted into your Ayurvedic lifestyle. In fact, you can cater any of the current diets like vegan, paleo, pescatarian towards an Ayurvedic dosha type. Myth number 4. Ayurveda is not a research-based science. It is easy to dismiss Ayurveda as not being a research-based science due to its over 5,000-year-old presence. In fact, Ayurveda is very much a research-based science, and the following evidence will prove that. In attempt to categorize and research body components, body dissection has been thoroughly described in Sushruta Samhita. Yes, Sushruta Samhita, an Ayurvedic text on medicine and surgery dated 1st millennium BCE, describes body dissection carried in addition to other surgeries in fact. Reference to ancient Ayurvedic conferences for exchange of knowledge are seen in various texts such as Sampesha Parishit. In these conferences, knowledge was exchanged based on different facts, opinions, and discussions. Myth number 5. There is not much difference between a holistic health practitioner and an Ayurvedic doctor. The basic foundational course to be an Ayurvedic doctor is a 5.5 full year time intensive course known as Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery, which is only taught in few Southeast Asian countries like India or Sri Lanka. As Ayurvedic doctors from India, we are trained to become practicing doctors. To graduate from an Ayurvedic university as an Ayurvedic doctor, you have to be educated enough to suture wounds, to conduct deliveries, to diagnose and treat various diseases. And then you also get registered with the Central Council of Indian Medicine, CCIM. This means you are a full-fledged doctor practicing Ayurvedic medicine. So, this was the 5 common myths about Ayurveda which is prevailing in our society. Hope you found this video useful. For more informative videos, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share.